Hey, gorgeous. Ever scrolled through Instagram and wished your photos had that dreamy, soft girl aesthetic? You know, the ones bathed in pastel hues, featuring adorable outfits and radiating pure charm. Get ready, because we're diving deep into the world of soft girl photography, and trust me, it's easier than you think. We'll unlock the secrets to capturing the prettiest pictures using just your phone. Think warm lighting, flattering poses, and editing tricks that'll make your photos pop. Ready to embrace your inner soft girl and flood your feed with the most captivating photos ever? Let's do this. So what exactly is the soft girl aesthetic? Imagine a mood board filled with delicate pastels, fluffy clouds, and a sprinkle of glitter. That's the soft girl vibe in a nutshell. Think gentle pinks, baby blues, and creamy yellows. Think flowy fabrics, delicate jewelry, and a touch of playfulness. The soft girl aesthetic is all about embracing femininity with a dash of whimsy. It's about feeling confident and beautiful in your own skin, radiating warmth and positivity. It's about expressing yourself through a lens of softness and grace. Ready to dive into the world of soft girl fashion? Your closet is about to become a haven of pastel hues and adorable staples. Think flowy skirts, ruffled dresses, and cozy cardigans. Embrace soft, touchable fabrics like velvet, lace, and satin. Don't forget playful prints like florals, gingham, and hearts. Accessorize with delicate jewelry, dainty headbands, and of course, the iconic heart-shaped sunglasses. Remember, the key is to create a look that's both playful and elegant, effortless and chic. Who needs a fancy camera when you have a smartphone these days? Seriously. Your phone is all you need to create dreamy, soft girl vibes right at home. The best part? You don't need any expensive gear or complicated setups. Just a little bit of imagination and a willingness to play around with your style. And a sprinkle of creativity goes a long way. Try gathering some cute pastel props. Think hair clips, scrunchies, or even a cozy sweater. Arranging these little details in your shot can instantly elevate your photos and make them feel super personalized. Capturing stunning soft girl photos is honestly easier than you think, especially when you focus on the little things that make your style unique. Lighting is key for real. Natural light is your best friend when it comes to getting that soft, glowy look. Harsh overhead lights can create shadows, but sunlight streaming through a window gives your skin a beautiful, even tone and makes everything look more magical. Just find a spot near a window and let the soft sunlight totally illuminate your features. If you want to add a little extra softness, try hanging a sheer curtain or a light scarf over the window to diffuse the light even more. This trick gives your photos that dreamy, ethereal glow that's perfect for the soft girl aesthetic. For a warm, dreamy glow, try shooting during golden hour, that magical time just after sunrise or before sunset. The sunlight is softer and warmer, wrapping you in a gentle golden haze that flatters every skin tone. Step outside in your favorite pastel outfit and let the natural light do its thing. Strike a pose. Have fun with it. Try a playful twirl in a flowy dress or skirt to add movement and energy to your photos. Don't worry about being perfect. Sometimes the most candid, spontaneous moments make for the cutest shots. Or go for a gentle hand on your cheek, which adds a touch of softness and sweetness to your look. Little gestures like this can really bring out your personality and make your photos feel more genuine. Or even try a sweet smile over your shoulder, glancing back at the camera. This pose is super flattering and gives your photos a playful, mysterious vibe that totally fits the soft girl mood. Don't be afraid to experiment and find poses that feel natural and flattering for you. Play with different angles, props, and expressions until you discover what makes you feel confident and cute. Remember, the soft girl aesthetic is all about expressing your unique style and having fun with your photos. Ready to take your soft girl photos to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or you're already obsessed with the soft girl aesthetic, I've got you covered with the best apps and editing tricks to make your photos look absolutely magical. Let's dive into the world of dreamy edits and pastel perfection. Editing is like your secret weapon. It's where the real transformation happens, turning an ordinary snap into a soft, glowing masterpiece. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your edits. This is your chance to express your unique style. There are tons of amazing apps out there, but a few of my favorites include VSCO, which is perfect for those subtle, dreamy filters and easy-to-use tools. VSCO's presets are a total game changer for getting that soft, cohesive look. Lightroom, which lets you fine-tune every detail, and PixArt, which is amazing for adding creative touches and playful effects. Each app has its own vibe, so try them all and see which one fits your style best. Start by adjusting the brightness and contrast to create a soft, airy feel. Bumping up the brightness can make your skin look luminous, while a little contrast helps your features pop without looking harsh. Play with the warmth and saturation to really enhance those dreamy pastel tones. Warmer tones give your photos a cozy, sun-kissed vibe, while a touch of extra saturation makes those pinks, purples, and blues stand out in the prettiest way. Experiment with filters, but don't go overboard. The key is to keep things soft and natural, so your photos still look like you, just with a little extra magic. A light touch is honestly all you need to enhance, not overpower your natural beauty. Sometimes less is more. Let your real self shine through those pastel edits. For an extra touch of magic, add some sparkle. A little shimmer here and there can make your photos look straight out of a fairy tale, especially when the light catches just right. A lot of editing apps offer cute stickers and effects that can add a touch of whimsy to your photos. Try adding hearts, stars, or even dreamy clouds for that perfect soft girl vibe. With these tips and tricks, your glow up is just a few taps away. So go ahead and create your own dreamy masterpiece. Your photos are edited to perfection, and now it's finally time to share your unique soft girl style with the world. Posting your creations online is such a fun way to express yourself and inspire others. Whether you're uploading to Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest, sharing your soft girl aesthetic can help you connect with a whole community of people who love the same dreamy pastel vibes as you do. Don't be shy. Let your creativity shine and show off your favorite looks, edits, and moments. Crafting the perfect caption and choosing relevant hashtags can totally help your photos reach a wider audience and connect with fellow soft girl enthusiasts. Think of your caption as a little story or a mood you want to share. It's your chance to add personality and context to your post, making it even more relatable and fun for your followers. Keep your captions fun, engaging, and true to your personality. You can write something cute, poetic, or even a little quirky, whatever feels most like you. If you're stuck, try describing how the photo makes you feel, or what inspired your look that day. Ask a question, share a funny anecdote, or just express how much you love the soft girl aesthetic. Don't forget emojis. Emojis are a super cute way to add extra flair and emotion to your captions, making them pop and feel more playful. They help your posts stand out and show off your personality. They're like the cherry on top of a perfectly curated caption. Little details like hearts, sparkles, or cherries can make your post feel extra special and totally on theme. When it comes to hashtags, think about words that describe your photo and the soft girl aesthetic in general. Hashtags are super important for helping new friends discover your posts, so don't be afraid to use a mix of popular and unique ones that fit your vibe. Some popular options include hashtag softgirl, hashtag pastel, hashtag aesthetic, hashtag kawaii, and hashtag pink. You can also add hashtags that describe your mood, your outfit, or even the colors in your photo. The more creative and specific you get, the more likely you are to find your people and build your own soft girl community online. And there you have it, gorgeous. You're now armed with all the knowledge you need to master the art of soft girl photography. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun, embrace your creativity, and let your unique personality shine through. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and develop your own personal style within the soft girl aesthetic. There are no rules, only endless possibilities. So go out there, capture some stunning photos, and share them with the world. And most importantly, never forget the power of confidence. When you feel good, you look good. And that's what truly makes a photo unforgettable.